So I got this green screen in. This is an Elgato. It was around $159.99, something like that on Amazon. It came in a box basically the same size and shape as this, so no reason to really unbox it. It came exactly as you see. There's nothing extra, no padding. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up for you, do a quick review on it, and then I'm probably going to do a couple test videos after this one, after I do the review, just to see how well it works with my editing software. So the first thing I want to do is basically, when you carry this where you're going, there are some feet on the bottom. You want to turn the feet outward, so when you raise it up, it doesn't tip over on you. After that, you unbuckle two clips in the front, open the lid, and there's a handle. Simply raise it up. So it is 6 foot tall. I'm 6 foot tall, and it's probably 54 inches wide, 56 inches wide. So overall, it's a pretty good size screen, and again, this is perfect if you're going to work in your office, or if you just want to be in some room where you don't necessarily want to have to clean the background or make sure everything's out of the way. You slide this behind you, you pull it up, and you're good to go. So as you can see on the back, this is just basically like a big X. There's a couple hydraulic assists down at the bottom to help you lift it up. They're not super strong. They're enough to keep it from falling back down. And basically it's just a friction open. So once you pull it up, it just stays in place. Again, make sure you turn your feet outward, because if you don't turn the feet outward, when you pull all the way up, it's going to tip over on you. So when you're done, to put it back down, basically just reach up, push down evenly, all the way into the box. Close your lid. Hold your feet back. And you're ready to pick it up and carry it to wherever you want to go next. So that was my review on the Elgato Green Screen from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below. Please click on like and subscribe.